guys, and welcome to my channel. And in today's video we are going to be testing out Nickelodeon Poppin' Pink Slime Glue. So I saw these gallons of glue at Walmart and I thought they would be so much fun, and so I thought I could test it out with you guys today. But before we get started, if you're new to my channel, then hi, I'm Alina. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button so you don't miss out on any new videos, and be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. And without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so to start off, I have my container and my mixing tool, and so first I'm going to be pouring out this entire gallon. Oh my goodness, I love the color of this. I am so excited. Oh my goodness, you guys, this is so gorgeous. You have to see this. This is what the glue looks like. It's so gorgeous and glossy. Spoon fell in. It's everywhere. Gross. Alright, so I have decided not to add anything to this because I just like the color how it is. So now I'm just going to go ahead and start activating my slime. So the activator I'm using is 1 cup of hot boiling water into a ½ teaspoon of borax, but I doubled it to 2 cups because I'm pretty sure this is going to need a lot. I'm just going to go ahead and add this in and start mixing. Okay, so I have added around 6 rounds of activator, and this is still super duper liquidy. Like, it activates and then it turns into liquid, so I don't know what to say. I'm going to keep doing it for a little bit longer and see what happens. Alright guys, I have added so much activator to this. I have lost count. And I don't know, it just isn't really pulling together. It's pretty much just turned into a mess, just a liquidy mess. So I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but I just don't think borax works for this glue. I'm not sure what I did. But if you guys know what I did wrong, be sure to tell me in the comments down below. And as you guys can see, this slime has grown a lot. And from the beginning, the slime was only a quarter way. And now the slime is up to here, so it has grown a lot, and I don't know, I just don't know what to say about the slime. So I'm going to say this is a big fail, thumbs down. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button so you don't miss out on any new videos. Just so you guys know, I post every Wednesday, so be sure to come back for more videos. And I do have an Instagram, so if you guys would like to check that out, it's alinkaloo.crafts. Bye! See you guys next week!